When it comes to truck bed liners, Herculiner is a name that has been trusted for years for its dependability and durability. Here's the secret. Herculiner isn't just paint, it's a tough, textured coating with real rubberized granules mixed in. Herculiner offers 3 easy solutions for all your truck bed protection needs. Herculiner Original Roll-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. This kit is perfect for truck beds, side steps, or any garage area needing a durable coating. In fact, we did these countertops here in the shop a while back, and they still look great even after years of abuse. You want a quicker application with superior protection? The Herculiner Professional Grade Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit is the perfect option. It boasts the highest scratch, impact, chemical, and water resistance, and it provides excellent adhesion. Plus, the kit includes a spray gun, and it covers an entire 8-foot truck bed. So maybe you're doing a little touch-up job like I'm doing right here, or you're cutting into the truck bed corner, or just any kind of small job. The Herculiner Aerosol Truck Bed Coating is perfect for an application like that, and it won't chip, flake, or peel. No matter what you haul in your truck bed, Herculiner provides a tough, durable, and skid-resistant coating that prevents rust. It's the perfect DIY solution for long-lasting protection.
This tech tip is brought to you by Herculiner. Takes on anything.